Now say in this question, a TV transmission tower at a particular station has a height of 160 meter. So we have got h is equal to 160 meter and we know radius of earth r is equal to 6400 kilometer. So now what is its coverage range? We know it, d is equal to under root of 2rh. This is the coverage range or the distance up to which a tower of height h can send the signals. So we can solve it. So that will be coming here, d is equal to under root of 2 into 6400 into, I have taken in kilometers. So we can convert h also into kilometers. So that will be here 0.16 kilometer. So when we solve this, we will be getting 45.26 kilometer approximately. So a TV tower of height 160 meter can send the signals up to this distance. It means the people who are living in this range can receive these signals. So now the next part is actually depend on the population covered by this tower. So how much population is covered by transmission? If the average population density is around the tower is 1200 per kilometer square. So we have got the D and population density we have got. So easily we can get how many people are getting it. So simply we can write for the area covered is equal to pi d square is equal to 3.14 into 45.26 whole square. This is the area, and number of people receiving signals are 3.14 into 45.26 whole square into 1200. That was the per kilometer square population density. When you multiply this, we will be getting around 77.2 lakhs. This number of the people are getting or the receiving TV signals by this tower. Now the last part of the question is here, which is here that says by how much height of the tower be increased to double its coverage range. So if you want to double its coverage range, suppose new coverage range is d dash, so that you can take the new antenna of height h dash, that is d dash is equal to 2d. So we can write under root of 2 r h dash is equal to twice of under root of twice of r h. When we solve it, we can get h dash is equal to 4h. So this should be the height of the new antenna. By what height it should be increased? So we can get here the increase in height that is 4h minus h, that is here 3h is equal to 3 into 160, it means 480 meter. So if you increase the height of the antenna by 480 meter, then its range or the coverage range will be double.